Oh my god, there's a fire in the building. Oh my god.
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail. The person you're trying to reach.
Oh my god, I'm calling my husband. Oh my
Please record
gosh.
your message. When you have finished recording, you may hang up.
Third floor. Oh my gosh, Lord Jesus Christ. Back in Nashville. Ayan. Nashville. Omni. Hampton. Hilton. Hello, Nashville, Tennessee. Meron silang mga may bike sila. Rent a bike. May mga buses sila. No, that's... Where are you going? Where are you
Going
going?
to work to the convention.
Wow, very
Nashville.
handsome. Ooh. Ooh.
Thank you, baby.
No chicks, huh? No
Don't
chicks
worry,
allowed.
I'm already taken.
Show me how. Show me that you're. Show me without telling me you're taken. I love you.
Love you.
I love you, handsome, very handsome man. Ooh, hoo, hoo. You got your phone, everything, wallet, key.
Yeah.
Okay. Text me when you get there, please.
Okay.
Hello. Hello everybody. Ayan. Nasa hotel na pala kami. We left the house so early. Ang aga namin umalis ng bahay because we were trying to catch his 1:30 appointment dito, but then on the road nag-text yung boss niya, sabi hindi matutuloy yung parang 1:30, parang hapon na yata. So ayun, at least nagka-time pa kami na mag-lunch and then mag-check-in sa hotel. Nakapagpahinga pa kami kasi we woke up 4 a.m. today. We tried our best to leave at 5 a.m. So ang aga namin today, ang aga naming kumembot today. So anyways, yes, nasa hotel na kami. We're back in Nashville. Hello Nashville. Nashville is very memorable to me kasi dito sa Nashville ako unang nakakita ng snow ay nakahawak ng snow. This video right here. So dito ako unang nakakita ng snow. Iba yung view natin, nasa likod kami or nasa gilid yata kami. So this is my view right now. Ayan, Hyatt Place, Drury Hotel. Ayun, may pool sila doon sa Hilton Garden. Madumi yung window. Tsaka yan, parang may garden. Meron din silang pool dito. Maganda din ang pool nila. Pero ang lamig, my God. Sobrang lamig. I don't know if you can see that. So that's it right there. Yan po. Ayun. Maganda yung view ko last time kasi harap ng interstate. Tsaka maganda yung room. Ito yung room namin. Ayan. So, wala, dito lang ako sa bahay. Dito lang ako sa hotel. Ano na guys, it's already 5:04 na ng hapon. So, maliligo muna ako. Tapos, I'll call the fam bam. See ya! Good morning, everybody. Second day po. And we're looking for a... Walang masyadong tao. It's very early. Margarita. This is Starbucks right there. It's 6:45 a.m. Second day dito sa Nashville. We're looking for breakfast. I was not feeling so good last night. Still wearing Mercedes-Benz. Beers. JW area.
Those things supposed to represent. Yeah. Huh?
Oh, what is it? Pixies. Music City Center. Pretty cool, hey. First art museum na yan. Another Starbucks there. I'm not a Starbucks. McDonald's lang kami, guys. So, update ko kayo later. And that's all that I ate last night. That and then the little bit of the rice thing that came with it because I brought some of the rice.
Something wrong with it.
Large caramel frap latte and the big preference,
Yes, sir.
right? That's 10.68.
Can I get a salt, please? Salt, please. Salt. Salt.
Thank you. Pretty cool building, huh? Yeah, it's like a boat. This is Marriott. And the plane, I don't know if you can see the plane. That's the Music City Center. That's where that the country singer, very popular. Roundabout. You know. Oh. Home to
That's where I'm meeting it.
that's where my husband's meeting is. Very good. Very good. Yeah, let's go back in Independence Day. We have scooters here. Scooter. Joseph. Eh, ang lamig guys, ang lamig. You can see? Sobrang lamig. Walang ice dito. Yeah, and I got my coffee and my You don't have hotels here in the US kasi. It's not the same as the Philippines where you have like an entire breakfast
No, it's
what do you call this? Catering, not catering. Yeah, they do have, but most of the hotels here most of the hotels here doesn't have like what we have in the Philippines, where there's like full breakfast thing. Yeah, so it's not really like that. And their breakfast here is only like they have this what they call biscuits and gravy, and then eggs, and then bacon, and then pancakes. Well, depends on where you stay. That's what he said. But mostly ganyan lang. Anyways, let's go. Look at my husband. Ito na yung breakfast na in-order ko. Big breakfast. Big home breakfast sa McDonald's. My pancake, my biscuit, and then sausage, and then egg. Potato. Masakit na naman ang ulo ko. Coffee. Caramel latte na coffee, and then the syrup. Latina letter Z. Naglalaro sila ng COD. I used to be one of them. Ate Z, say hi.
Hello.
Pamangkin ko. Hash brown pala. Hash brown. No, I'm not gonna. Yeah. Second day. My handsome husband. Ooh. Be careful, have fun. Text me when you get there. Love you.
Okay.
Bye, yours.
Lock this, bro.
Oh my god, there's a fire in the building. Oh my god. Lord.
Call has been forwarded to voicemail. The person you're trying to reach.
Oh my god, I'm calling my husband.
Tone.
Oh my
Please
god.
record your message. You have finished recording.
Third floor. Oh my gosh, Lord Jesus Christ. Oh my god. Lord Jesus Christ. Maybe here? Fire. Oh my god.
Please exit using the stairwell. Do not use the elevator.
Is it real? Are you there? Oh my gosh. Crazy. Hello? The fire alarm went on. We're all outside the building. Yeah, I'm already outside. Yeah. I don't see anything. I just run outside as soon as... Yeah. Yeah, I left everything there. I brought my phone in my bag. My laptop is there. Ayun na guys, yung mga tao sa labas. I was one of the first one that came out.
That's
I ran
good.
right away.
Yeah, that's good. Don't mess around.
I thought of our old company that got burned
Yeah,
down. Oh my
there you
god,
go.
I can't believe it. I was in the 6th floor. I just ran. Oh my god, look at all the people.
Good job there.
Tingnan niyo ako guys, naka-sleeper lang ako.
You're the first person out.
Oh my god, I can't believe it. I'm one of the first few. Umiyak ako, oh my god. I don't want to experience it. You know, I've had like it reminds me of my old company that got burned down. I used to work in a call center before, and I was already not there when it happened. Ayun na guys. Ang bilis ko nakabihis guys. Ayan. Sama ko kay asawa. Doon ako tatambay kasi I can't stay in that room with that fire alarm thing. It just keeps saying alarm, fire alarm. Ay, I was one of the first ones to come out from the building. Oh my god. Ito ang outfit natin for today. Ito tayo. Tinawagan ko si asawa while I was running down the stairs. And I couldn't type, so I just put fire.